Hi, this is Maciej Rzechowski from Poland, and I will present you the application called 12 Seasons developed during the Building Mobile Experiences course. So the 12 Seasons is the application for finding what are the best seasonal products available right now, where to find them nearby, and what can be used for. Okay, so let's start and launch the app. So the application launches in the main screen, which gives the core information right away. So most importantly, it gives the information what are the seasonal products available in the current location and in the current moment. So now we have the March, and I can see what are the seasonal food items in Poland in March. Also, I can change the months using the swipe gesture. So if I want to see what will be in the April, which is right away, I can swipe and see what will be in the April, and so on and so on. Okay, so let's go back to the March. We have also some information about the user, and the 12 Seasons is integrated with the Facebook, so I can see my Facebook profile image and I can see the information about my score. The score is based on my activity in the application, most importantly about the pinning where are the items available, which we will see later in this video. The application also gives some access to additional data. So for the traditional list lovers, we have the list of all the items in the application with the search option. And the other option is the map. The map will show what are the items near me. So it will use my current location and a location about the information of from the other users about the products, and shows what other have pinned. So for example, I can see that someone has pinned cabbage very near me, the chicory, carrot, and so on. I can tap the pin item to see its details. I can also tap the item in this section, and then the color of the pins will change. So the green ones will relate to the item I've just selected. Okay. So let's go back, and now let's go into the product details. So for example, let's choose the Brussels. Going into the product displays the seasonal information. Now I can see the months where it is available in Poland right now. Also, I can see the sample recipes. So the case is that when I'm into the shop or into the market, I see, okay, the Brussels, I check it, okay, they're in season perfectly, but what to do with them? So this is the list of sample recipes that will give the idea of what to do with this item. I can see where the item is available nearby, and right now nobody have pinned the Brussels near me, so let's do this. Just I will tap the found it, and I will see the similar map, but now I'm pinning the Brussels sprout. So I need to point the place. Where is it? Let's do this. It gives the address location. I can put some comment and I will just save it. It sets it to the cloud and to the Parse backend, and it also calculates score based on my input. And the score is calculated on the cloud side, and it uses the information about how many other people picked the same product in the location. I'm the first one, so I just received 500 points. I can share that information on Facebook. So the share option will post to my wall saying that the Brussels sprout is available near me. Okay? And now going back to the product details, I see that my pinned location. Okay, so let's pick some sample recipe. It loads the recipe from the external website, and I have the option to pick it. To pick it, we'll just save it for later, to bookmark it in the 12 Seasons application. So let's do this right now. Also, I can share this on the Facebook. So I really like this. I can push the share it. It will launch the Facebook with its share dialog, and I can post to my timeline. I won't do this right now. Okay, go back to the 12 Seasons and go back to the main screen, and the last two things, I think it's like my score data. Now I have more score because I pinned the item, so I can get to to the rankings and see the top application users. I see that someone is better than me. I have the second application in the app right now, and also I can see my picked recipes. So now I can see what recipes I've picked. I can go to the recipe. I see now it's already picked. If I don't want to use it, I can just delete it from my picked list. So basically that's all, but the application is quite powerful. It allows sharing, it allows pinning, it encourages the users to be active by giving this score data, and most importantly, it's a large database of the seasonal products. So thank you and goodbye.